We shall now demonstrate how to use the cutting torch to make a freehand cut. For this demonstration, we are going to work on a cutting table, and our practice workpiece is 6mm mild steel plate. The nozzle size for 6mm material is, according to specification, 0.8 mm. With the torch prepared as previously explained, the workpiece is first preheated. Preheating helps to prevent distortion of the material. The demonstrator shows us how to support the torch and control the movement. Notice that the freehand method is made across the body. The nozzle is now brought to the edge of the work. The preheat flames are kept about 3 to 4 mm above the plate surface, the tip parallel to the work, and the cutting orifice is aligned to the cutting line. As the metal approaches its molten state, the cutting lever is depressed and the cut begins. Resting your hands upon a solid surface will assist in maintaining a steady torch. Follow the cutting line as closely as possible by keeping a careful watch above the torch head. From time to time, especially over a long section, you will need to reposition your hands. Restarting a cut is a simple matter of repositioning the tip once you have adjusted your working position. The cut is continued all the way through to the end of the run. By examining the workpiece after it has cooled, you can make an assessment of how well you are cutting. These near vertical and evenly spaced drag lines indicate a good cut. Another indication of a good cut is the sharp appearance of the bottom edge and the absence of slag. A neat cut is accomplished by using a correctly maintained nozzle of the correct size, ensuring the correct oxygen pressure, and moving the torch at the correct travel speed. Freehand flame cutting requires skillful coordination between the eyes and the hands. You should practice this skill before moving on to the next section.